Hey guys, Drew. Today I want to walk you through how you can build your own Jarvis, the Claude Code playbook for my personal AI operating system. I posted a few reels about this on Instagram and they got over 1.5 million views. So I thought I'd take it here to YouTube, walk you guys through my guide so you can get this set up for yourself right away. So this system turns Claude Code into your 24/7 personal AI, one that knows your life, runs on the machine, takes action on your behalf, and pings you when something matters, just like Jarvis does in Iron Man. So let's hop right into it. So the real problem, you've used ChatGPT and Claude for years. They're smart, fast, and useful, and every conversation starts from scratch. Every workflow is manual, and every action requires you to copy and paste between 5 tools that talk to each other. Now this can be helpful, but at a certain point it becomes a bit much. The real unlock, I think, is in this personal AI Jarvis that has 3 main things that a regular chatbot does not. The memory of you, so your projects, your contacts, your style. Hands, it can actually do things and not just describe them. And a heartbeat, it runs in the background where you don't even realize it. You don't have to turn it on or off, it's just there. So this guide is going to do that for you. Now, who this guide and this video honestly are for: anyone comfortable opening a terminal once a week. It's super easy, I can show you how to do it. People with 5+ AI tools, maybe their email, calendar, notes, whatever it is. And builders who want their AI to do work, not just narrate it. Skip this if you've probably never installed a node before. I can make a separate video on that. If you want a polished consumer app, that's not what this is. Or if you're not comfortable storing some context about yourself locally on your computer. What you'll have by the end of the weekend here, I wouldn't say this is a quick process, but it's definitely one that's worth doing. Claude Code installed with a personal Claude.md file. Connected MCPs for your core tools: Gmail, Calendar, Notion, Drive. 5 to 10 custom / commands, which are pretty cool. Scheduled morning brief that runs when you wake up, and a Telegram or voice bridge. Where's my phone? My phone's over there. I was going to show you my own. I have these all set up in Telegram as well. So the architecture here, just the layers in which we're thinking about doing it. The brain is that Claude MD file we talked about with the persistent context. The hands are these MCP servers that can go from one tool to another. Reflexes are these / commands. The heartbeat is the scheduled jobs. And then the mouth is the Telegram bot that you can legit talk to. So I think this is what I like to call a weekend build, which means that you obviously do it over a weekend. And I kind of broke it down by day here. Day 1, the AM, 2 tasks in the PM, and then 2 tasks for day 2. So I'm just going to kind of run through this here because this entire guide will be in the description, free for anyone to grab and run through. If you have any questions, shoot me an email or join my school community, AI Money Club. We have all the guides in there as well. People running through it, setting stuff up, and making money online with AI. If you don't make your first $1,000 in 90 days in that club, we give you a full refund. It's a great place to be. So you want to start by installing Claude Code. This is the command throughout this guide. I have a lot of just commands to copy and paste in there. If you really want to understand what they're doing, just paste it into Claude and ask it. Now we're going to create the Claude MD file. So what this goes with is it has your identity, your current focus, people you want to know, tools you want to know, your voice, and those hand rules we talked about. So this is the interview prompt. It looks small, but when you run this for your Claude MD, it's basically going to be a 15 to 20 minute interview. Okay, maybe 30 to 45 minutes, where it's really just going to understand who you are. After your MD file is done, you're going to connect your hands. You got to connect all your MCPs, your Gmail, your Google Calendar, your Notion. If you're doing this for a business account, I connect all those as well. You can have multiple. This is probably going to take it'll take a little longer, maybe 30 minutes. Now you're going to build your reflexes. These are the these are the / commands I recommend using. A brief command, inbox command, draft command, stand-up, capture, research, summarize, and EOD. You can create more if you like. You can riff on this. You can brainstorm. These are just the ones I like to use, and I like to keep it pretty simple. And then this is a sample command file. Now the heartbeat, the scheduled jobs, is something where my Jarvis will ping me through Telegram of, hey, It's the morning briefing every morning at 6:30. What are you working on? So they can store it and remember the context. Your regular Claude may remember certain things about you, especially if you put it into a project. But this Jarvis remembers everything. So these morning briefings, inbox triage, and end-of-day stuff, it remembers what you say, and you type back to it every single day. And then I have a sample launch job here for a Mac as well. And then a safety rule. Always start scheduled jobs in read-only mode. They read, summarize, report. After 7 days, it cleans and keeps the stuff it needs. And misfiring at 6:30 with the wrong person on Monday is not what you want. Now, section 5 is the mouth, the mobile bridge, which I think is the coolest part about this whole build. You're going to set the Telegram bot, the SSH from your phone, or the voice, one of those three. The tool stack is Claude Code, the MCP servers, the Mac box, and then Telegram. So you can literally just talk to this Telegram channel, and it will store all the contacts for you, and Jarvis will start to remember things about you, do tasks for you in the background, and everything in between. It's very cool. I can do another video maybe going through how my Jarvis works and all that. A few quick FAQs here before I end this video. Do I need to be a developer? No. Won't this expose my data? Claude Code runs locally. That's the whole point of this. What if a job runs while I'm sleeping, screws up? Read safety rules in section 4 again. Always start it with dry run. Can I add voice? Yes. Whisper for input's probably the best. And how do I know it's working? You'll feel it in 2 weeks, trust me. The ping every day, and then you'll start to realize that Jarvis and Claude Code are giving you, honestly, just better responses. And if you want hundreds more guides like this, I suggest joining AI Money Club here. It is it's the best place to be. We have hundreds of guides. Courses on how to make money with AI through newsletters, avatars, social media. As I said before, if you don't make your first $1,000 in 90 days, you get a full refund. And the final note here, Jarvis isn't a product you buy, it's a system you build one command at a time. The goal isn't to copy Stark's lab, it's to take the most painful friction out of your life and replace it with a tap on your phone. And I suggest that this weekend you start. If you found this useful, please subscribe. I make a video like this every single day. And with that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Deuces.